How to withdraw money from Atom Bank Instant Saver. Follow the instructions. Open the Atom Bank app on your phone. Log in using your fingerprint, Face ID, or passcode. Wait for the app to load your accounts. Tap on your Instant Saver reward account. Look for the Withdraw Money option. Tap on Withdraw Money. Enter the amount you want to take out. Review the amount you entered. Make sure the money is going to the correct linked account. Confirm the withdrawal request. Wait for the app to process your request. Look for a message that says the withdrawal was successful. Check your linked bank account to see if the money has arrived. Close the Atom Bank app when you are done. Thank you for watching.